Hey everyone, so I recently ordered something on Temu and this is my parcel. Let me show you all the things. This was the package and I received it in like 7 to 8 days, and these are the things that I bought, and I would like to give my honest review because it's not something that's sponsored by Temu, so it's my honest feedback of whether you should go for it or you should not go for it. So, talking about the products that I received, the first one is this iPhone 13 Pro Max case, which is just for 0.88 pounds. I got one iPhone case and it is 0 out of 10. I really didn't like the case because it couldn't fit into my phone. You can see it, it's not, the edges are not sharp, it has been pressed and it doesn't fit my phone, so I completely neglect this product. I did not have a good experience regarding this product, so I'm not using it because it doesn't fit my phone and it's too soft, so that's the reason I think it just got pressed. The second thing is this case, iPhone 13 Pro Max again, and it is quite good. I ordered it for like, let me tell you the price, 2.39 pounds, and it fits good. But one thing that I didn't like or prefer is these buttons. They are quite shiny, so I don't prefer those kind of buttons. In fact, I think it's my mistake that while ordering I didn't look into the description or something. So which is good, this one is fine, I can use it maybe for a couple of months or so. Again, not that much good, but it is fine in that price range. The third thing is this case, and it is for iPhone 15 Plus, and I think this is the product that I like the most. So it is plain, it is quite beautiful, it is the way I had imagined it, and the buttons again, you can see these are not silver as I had in here in 13. So this is a good case and I would recommend it for you to buy. It is just for 2.38 pounds and it is good one, it is good to go. The third thing was some underwears, and three underwears for like 6.47 pounds, which is quite good and they're quite comfortable. So yeah, that's my honest feedback on Temu website, and I think there are certain things which you can buy and they are quite reliable, then there are certain things which you should not buy just because they're cheap. Go for the description, look at the price range, and try to order things which are not really cheap, because the cheapest products are sometimes the useless ones. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and take care.